a conundrum man. Good people question if there is one. Well, bad is soon good.
Hey guys, so I'm sick of doing construction and doing plowing videos, so I'm just gonna start a makeup channel. So if you guys can go follow me there, thanks. Okay, I'm just messing with you. But we're dealing with the storm right now, and I need to bring you guys along for the ride. My grandkids will talk about this day. Maybe not, but
I think that would be killer.
oh, I can't see a thing. Oh, boom! Whoa! Today's Monday. There's snow. Al and Corey are coming in. It's gonna be interesting. Before we get into this though, how about I bring you guys along for the day and you hit the subscribe button. That seems like a reasonable takeoff. Reasonable. Hopefully Al's bringing me coffee because I definitely need more coffee.
What's this thing doing?
Who is that?
I don't know.
You guys remember this guy? You remember the guy in the back? We're going to the storage right now. Going to throw some salt down. Guys were bored, sick of their wives, so they had to come see me.
Is that a Christmas tree?
That's a Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. The roads are just mocked. All right, we made it here to the storage, and snow's piling up. So what we're gonna do is get the guys, we're gonna throw down some salt, and then just kind of work our ways. Looks like Dad already shoveled, so that's awesome. But I'm gonna throw down some salt here, and then we'll continue on. Here's this red salt again. What's up? Say hi to the camera.
Hello, camera.
You like the camera?
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, slow down, Corey. Oh wow. Oh yeah. So this is what is inside these buildings. I've never shown you guys, but yeah, we have indoor storage units. So this is a storage unit that I have. You just open these. And yeah, I got some of my stuff from my garage in there, a creepy old snowman. This used to be a bungalow, just a house. My old man, being the entrepreneur that he is, he completely renovated it and made it indoor storage. Used to be an old house. There's Corey. Custom.
Tim Hortons cup?
Tim Hortons cup? It's Canadian. We were just rocking out to a little Justin Bieber. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
So I guess we'll be plowing later on today, cleaning everything all up. Say goodbye to Corey. You probably won't see him for another 4 weeks.
5 weeks.
All right, so I'm at my buddy's Justin's house here. Justin, say hi.
Hey man, what's up?
And basically, I, as a gift, a housewarming gift, bought him like 5, how many mats did I get, 4 or 5? Yeah. 5 mats, gym mats. You guys know that I have the gym at my house. And we just went today and spent about $2,000 on gym equipment, and we're gonna set it all up, and then we're gonna go plow. He's not plowing, but then I gotta go plow. We're gonna get a workout in. So enjoy the time lapse of us putting this stuff together. Constant reminder, everybody, to get there and keep hammering and work hard, and fitness is super important. And Taylor, you're not gonna add in any of this because that made no sense.
With the switch again. Boy, they living like he happening. But they just give them estimates. Somersaults for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt Chevy, make a scene, baby. LA BB been the team, baby. Been Papa work the G, baby. Look.
So I'm finished. Got a hand from the limits through the hand. Got a bag, got a hands in the business. For my hand is a ticket. Talking monster for the business. That's a comma and a comma and a comma.
Just wrapped up a workout, and now it's time to go plowing. Al, I'm on my way in. Wrapped up a workout here at Justin's house. I'm headed out. Justin, thank you as always.
Yeah?
You want to come plow?
No, it's too cold.
Are you sure? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, buddy, appreciate it. Take care.
Yeah, see you, man.
See ya.
Man, look at all the snow that we got out here. I haven't left Justin's yet, but it's beautiful. The sun's coming down right now, and we just got this beautiful layer of snow.
And this time of night, it actually kind of gets a little magenta-y outside, and you can kind of tell right now, it's kind of like this reddish look, and it's just beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to getting there and going plowing. So let's go do that. It's gonna be an awesome time plowing. Woo!
Someone's gotta change.
All right, just arrived here to the storage to go plowing. Go see my buddy Al, and we'll fire up this shit. There's Alan! Alan!
What's going on?
Alan! It should blow off here. Yeah, there you go. Glow plug in a bit. Come on, baby. Oh, she's cold. It doesn't like the cold though. It shouldn't be like it's only -10. That's a cold start. Just going over what we're gonna start here first, and I think what we came up with is we're gonna start by doing the doors, so that way they're done. It's nice and fluffy, and Al, like I said, he fixed the blower, so he's gonna take his still leaf blower and blow the doors, and I'm gonna use the little Toro blower and knock the snow away from the doors, and then we'll just go from there, wing it out. And we were contemplating whether or not to do the gravel area, and we're gonna do it because there's enough snow on it. Like, we ended up getting enough. I think we were saying we got over 5 easy. We're gonna get started on that. Should be all right. All right, guys. This is probably the nicest plowing. Ooh, my seat is too warm. Millennial problems. When your heated seat's too warm in your backhoe. Let's get plowing here. We'll put you guys outside and we'll just get giving her. Beautiful, fluffy plowing, guys. In the heart of the Ottawa Valley. Woo! Woo!
Slow motion.
All right, things are going unreal, man. They're awesome, but I want to show you guys this. Look at what somebody did. So we have a rock wall here. This is all rock wall. Look at this.
Somebody's tire track, skid mark right over the rock, retaining Armorstone rock. That's a huge rock. Like their tire went down into this little thing here, up there. Dad never called me and said somebody got stuck here bad, but somebody definitely fucked up the underside of their vehicle. There's Al over there. Yeah, man. What?
Anywhere you want it, anywhere you want it, yeah. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Anywhere you want it, this is me. Tell me where you wanna go.
Hey guys, my name's Taylor and I like plowing snow. Things are going unfreaking unbelievable. Nothing gets me more excited than a nice snowfall. Well, maybe a few things got me a little more excited, but we'll keep it PG. All right, so we are wrapping up here. Al's throwing down some salt, and we're getting her all cleaned up. I think that's pretty much it, eh?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, all right, we'll park the machines and that should be good. Truck is started. Time to go home. I want to be in the light for this, but I want to thank you guys for watching another one of the videos. I really appreciate it. If you aren't subscribed, 80% of you guys still aren't subscribed. Sorry, 72.5% of you guys aren't subscribed still, so make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. It shows a lot of support and I really appreciate it, guys. I like putting a lot of time and effort into these. If you guys enjoy them, give the video a thumbs up. Other than that, there's a lot of other cool stuff going on this week, so I'm sure I'll see you guys again. Take care. Thanks for watching. And no, I didn't forget about you guys. The True Patriots channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below the snowman. Why the snowman? Well, I'm kind of feeling like a snowman. I don't know about Al, but I'm feeling like a snowman doing all this snow lately. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below the snowman. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
And the comma, gotta get